Hello, welcome to Healthylivingfitter and Florence Straka. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple breakfast. If you have 2 eggs and spinach, that's all we're going to be using. Few ingredients to make a healthy breakfast in the morning or whenever you want. This is good for any so I'm gonna show you how to put that together, and just watch how I put everything together so you can make that as well, and I'll see you right away. So I have 1 cup of spinach and I'm just going to wash this. Alright, and I'm going to let the water drain out of this. Alright, so I have a pan on the heat and I'm going to add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. It doesn't matter what kind of oil you use. Sometimes I use the olive oil, sometimes just any kind of oil. So once that is in the pan, what I'm now going to do is I have a thumb-sized ginger and I cut it in half. So we're just going to use that. I'm going to cut this into pieces. And then I have 1 garlic that I'm going to use. I'm going to chop all this with the ginger. Just get a little size. Okay, so we want that to be a little bit chopped into pieces. Alright, so as this is done, I have these onions. I'm just going to use half of the onions, and it's just going to be a very tiny long slice like this. Alright, so I am going to put all this in here in the pan. With the ginger. I'm going to give this a stir. And since I like fennel seed, I'm just going to grind a little bit in here. Just like a half teaspoon of fennel seed. If you don't like that, that is just, you don't have to. I'm going to add just a little accent to this. And I'm going to add half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. That. And I'm going to blend all this together. Just fry this like 2-3 minutes. And then now I'm going to add my spinach. And I'm going to mix everything together. Alright, and we're gonna have this to cook down for 2-3 minutes. That looks yummy already, healthy. And I'm just going to break my eggs in here. I'm going to stir this again. And I'm going to add just a little garlic salt. Like that. Okay, I'll give a little taste to see. Yeah, and just a little bit of garlic salt. So just say half teaspoon of garlic salt. Alright, now that this is done, I am just going to use it to break the eggs down a little bit, just like that. And I am going to pour this in here. Alright, we're just gonna let this cook for at least 5 minutes until the everything is done, and our breakfast should be ready. And I'm just going to cover this just a little to let the heat stay in there and have this cooked. So we're going to check on our eggs. You can smell the ginger, the glaze. You can smell everything. Smells good. And now you can see our eggs. It is done. And I'm going to transfer this on a plate. And it has the glaze little liquid from the spinach. And we are going to add that to this. And we have our simple healthy egg ready. So I'm going to give this a taste and let you know how it comes out. This is very simple thing you can make in the morning. There is a different way you can do this, but this is the way I'm going to show you today. And then in a different video I'm going to show you a different way that you can do others as well. So this is easy to make, healthy. You can add any flavors you want, any spices. If you don't want spicy, that's as well. Just add the spinach, the eggs, and just fry. Okay, so we are just done frying our eggs. 2 eggs spinach. We add garlic cloves, ginger, onions, and then the eggs that we added, we add some spicy to it. There is a little garlic salt we added, then the hot. So I'm going to taste this and see how it comes out. And this is just a simple breakfast that you can make in the morning. It's very healthy. I like spinach a lot, so I like to incorporate that in a little things that I do and also add spicy to this. So let's see. Okay, so this is everything mixed together. Then a little spice because of the pepper we put in. You can minimize the pepper if you don't like, if you're not a spice person. For me, everything have to be spice for me, but you don't have to do it. I put in pepper if you don't want it. You can omit that from it. And the spinach have a flavor taste to it. With the eggs, the glaze, even the smell from it, it's so nice and it tastes good. It's so simple, healthy. Every spice, everything is incorporated in this. And so this is going to be my breakfast for today, and I hope you can try this yourself too. If you don't want any spicy in it, just leave the spice out. Just do the eggs, the spinach, season the spinach a little bit, cook it down a little, add your eggs to it, and just cook it the way you want and enjoy. There is different ways that you can make this, so I just want to show you, and I hope you can make this yourself and enjoy. And just leave a comment for me in the comment section below. How did yours come up? What else did you add to it? You can just add the onions with the oil, the spinach, and your eggs, and you are done. And you make your quick breakfast, which is healthy for you. So if you like this video, subscribe to this channel and comment, share, and if you have any comments, leave it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. And always, thank you for watching my videos. Stay healthy and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.